Hi, I'm Peter Robertson from William Porches Properties. Welcome to 53 Thomas Street here in Nedlands. This is a remarkable family home of very grand proportions. It has been renovated, extended and enhanced and truly brought into the 21st century. Let's have a look through. This house offers so much more than you might expect from the street. Here we are on the ground floor. It is generous in every possible way. We've got a guest bedroom suite at the front, kitchen, lounge, dining, multiple living areas, in fact, a study. We've got direct access from the garage and we flow up this beautiful staircase as well as through to the spectacular backyard. Overlooking the backyard is this beautiful conservatory with a pressed tin ceiling, a spectacular gas fireplace, custom-made bespoke windows looking into the backyard and the swimming pool. It is a beautiful room in every season. Here we are in the impeccably balanced backyard. We've got beautiful travertine stone flooring, a fully tiled blue lap pool, an abundance of northern light pouring in. It is private, it is sheltered, very special. And here we have a brilliantly versatile pool house, underneath of which is a wine cellar. How good is that? Bedroom. Bedroom. And main bedroom suite. Here we are. What a spectacular offering. All of the bedrooms in this house are spectacularly large. The main bedroom suite is no exception. We've got his and hers walk-in robe, a beautiful opulent ensuite bathroom, stunning timber flooring, high ceilings, an abundance of natural light. Really something you need to see in person to appreciate the scale, grandeur, and just how good this is. So that's it, folks. 53 Thomas Street here in Nedlands. A beautiful, large, generous family home of timeless style with a fantastic view back to the city and the river, right in the heart of where you want to be. We look forward to showing you through.